Hi, I'm Paul, the Outdoor Movie Guy, and I'm going to show you how to correctly coil an XLR cable. We never want to coil it like this with an XLR. What that'll do is it breaks the inside of the cable down, and we won't get a very long life from our cables. So you may have heard of the over-under method, and that's the way we're going to do it. We're going to hold the cable in our right hand, and our first coil, run our thumbs along the top, and pass it over. Then with our hand, we're going to turn it on the inside and bring it up. We're going to change to another camera so you can see a little closer. We're going to take our hand down this way. There, now we're going to turn our hand around and bring it together. So we slide our hand down here, thumb below, together. A little twist with that one. Now the whole idea of this is it does allow it to stay a little bit straighter. We can also hold this cable, go to the wide shot. We can hold this cable and easily throw the whole cable out. So I'm going to coil it one more time. Again, I'm holding it, it's towards me in my right hand. And now my hand's on the inside, my hand's on the outside, inside, outside, inside, outside, inside. So you see how I'm just twisting my hand over? Okay, there we go. So I've made that coil again. The main thing when you do this coiling method, always make sure you keep one side on one and the other on the other. If I accidentally take this through, I'm going to end up with a ton of knots, and that's not what we want to do.
That's how it happens.
That's how it happens. So when you get a ton of knots in, you've gone and taken it through the middle. So just make sure that you pull it from the correct side. So I'm just going to untangle this, and we'll just do that roll one more time. So again, I have it in my hand facing towards me, rolling my thumb down, and inside, outside, inside, outside. Any little kinks like that you can just get rid of with a little twist. Inside, outside, whoops, inside, outside, and there we finish. Now what I like to do is I always put a piece of Velcro on this end of the cable, and what that allows me to do is keep it nice and neat. The other reason for that is when I plug this, when I plug this into a speaker, I can then use that Velcro to go around part of the speaker stand, and it'll take stress off this part of the cable. Okay, so we'll go back to the main camera. That is the recommended way for rolling your cables. So any audio cables, video cables, you can definitely use that method. When it comes to a rope for tethering screens on that, going around the elbow, that's fine. But when it comes to a cable that could get damaged by the same pressure points each time, this is definitely the preferred way to go. Thanks a lot. Cheers.